Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
The former Ekiti State Governor, Fayose, on Thursday, met with President Bola Tinubu at the Presidential Villa, Abuja. Fayose, who addressed State House reporters at the end of the meeting, said he was with President Tinubu's administration, but he would not hesitate to criticize the government if it fails to fulfill its campaign promises to Nigerians.
May I say to you, sir, ladies and gentlemen of the press, let me tell you, if Asiwaju turns back on his promise, all he said when he was campaigning, I will be the first to talk. I am not timid, and I don't shy away from facing challenges. But the man I have seen today, I don't eulogize and I don't praise to curry favor. I am no more a small boy. Let me tell you, the man I saw today, and for the actions we have seen, means well for Nigeria. But if there's any reason to derail, it will not be deliberate. And we will all be able to draw his attention to his brief as the President and Commander-in-Chief of our country. Let us be optimistic, let us be hopeful, and let us believe that there will be a turnaround.
Fayose, former governor of Ekiti State, he urged Nigerians to rally around the president, whom he said has good intentions for the country. Fayose lauded the steps taken so far by Tinubu's administration, saying they can readily give Nigerians the direction of this government.
A renewed hope. The steps so far taken can readily give us the direction of this government. Elections had come and gone without prejudice to the courts. But it's no more time for campaigns or selling a political party. It is time to govern Nigeria for the benefits of children yet unborn and those of us that are still here. And to equally let you know that I had a very wonderful time with the president. You seem very alert and very clear in the direction he wants to take the country. But he can't do it alone. He needs all of us. Whosoever is on this saddle is Nigeria on the saddle, and we must stand by him. We must give our best. And I want to tell you that people like me, others like Governor Wike and Governor Makinde and other wonderful Nigerians, we have made up our mind that it is better to stand with a man of vision and to stand with Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu for the betterment of our country.
The ex-governor was in the State House just 24 hours after the duo of former Senate President Fayose and former National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Olisa Metu, visited the president. Amaka Anyao, reporting from Facetv Africa.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.